harvest ants.
Yeah? About how many are in there, you think?
35.
3,500 maybe? Or 35?
50.
Yeah, probably. Okay, that's good. And what do these ants eat?
Carrots, it looks like right now.
Yeah? Oh, those are carrot pieces in there. Cool. What do they do when they die?
They put them in the grave.
Oh, they bury them? Oh my gosh, yes. That is so